Hello friends, this is Vimlesh Gautam and you are watching Triple B Overseas. Friends, we have requirement for SPASS category profiles for Singapore. We have multiple openings and the details are here. We have requirement for engineering profile where we need automobile engineer, all type of technicians, CNC all profiles, cook, chef. Then we have requirement for chemical engineer, design engineer, electrical engineer, excavator, dozer and forklift operators. We have requirement for F&B service staff, maintenance engineer, mechanical engineer, metal, plastic industry all operators. We have requirement for MEP engineer, mechatronics engineer, plastic engineer, HVAC engineer and technicians. We have requirement for planning engineer, piping engineer, project coordinator, project manager and engineer. We have requirement for quantity surveyor, robotics engineer, site engineer, healthcare profiles. Dear friends, we have multiple openings for SPASS category profiles where the candidate should have either degree or diploma plus 3 years minimum experience. Any profiles, they should have 3 year plus experience, not less than 3 years, with a very reputed company, and the duration there should not be multiple jump in a certain period. If they have 3 year experience, then the employer should be maximum 2 employer, not 3 or 4, because that show stability issue. So the candidate who are really interested, deserving candidates and eligible candidates, they can apply for these profiles. We need relevant experience. If mechanical engineer, obviously same profile experience, MEP engineer, same profile experience, healthcare profiles, same profile experience, minimum 3 years experience, degree, diploma. Male female both can apply. Male females for technical profiles, maximum profiles we need male candidates, but where the eligibility criteria is that where a female candidate can apply, we can take those profiles as well. And the age limit is 22 to 44. Anyone can apply between 20 to 20th to 24. If they are relevant candidate, then definitely we can process them. And maximum candidates, obviously if they are between 25 to 35, company will prefer those candidates who are between 25 to 35, but eligibility criteria is 20 to 45. So dear friends, the criteria is very simple, and obviously it is 2-year project, 1 year plus 1 year renewal. Renewal will be done on the basis of performance. If the performance is good and candidate is deserving, definitely company will automatically renew the contract. And next contract renewal depends on the mutual understanding and performance of the candidates. If they are performing well, in that case after 2 years also they can continue the contract. Even they can continue contract or they can switch another company as well, because as SPASS profile this facility is there, this benefit is there. Candidate can switch from one employer to another employer. Salary would be between 1,800 to 5,000 Singapore dollar, depend on the profile, experience and last drawn salary. That is very important. If the salary if they are getting good salary, obviously they will get good salary. If they are getting less salary, then between 1,800 to 5,000 anything can be possible. It will be discussed and confirmed during the interview. And there will be 3 rounds of interview. First round, that is screening round, second round, that interaction round, third round technical round, and it will be done through employer, and obviously there will be 3 or 4 members in the panel. So dear friends, this is the exact requirement. We need multiple numbers for every profile, 2, 3, 4 people we need, and the process will take time 90 to 120 days. And obviously the recruitment process, it will take 2 months something. First the document will be submitted, then shortlisting, then screening round. After that the employer will shortlist and will line up an interview. And once the interview is lined up, in that case they will give hardly 1 or 2 days, maybe 1 week time. Then once the interview is confirmed, the candidate is selected, the visa processing will take time, and once we will get visa approval. After that we have to plan for travel. So this whole procedure will take time of 90 to 120 days. Within this time frame, the candidate the process will be completed, and the candidate will fly to Singapore. Dear friends, if your profile is matching, you can contact to our team and the number is already given in the description box. You can contact to them, even you can email us your complete documents, resume, complete resume, and passport front and back, as well as the visa copy, passport size photo with white background, 80% face, then education certificate, then experience certificate, and then appreciation certificate and other important documents. These documents you have to attach, and if you are having DL, obviously you attach DL as well. These are very important documents. You make a PDF file and you share PDF file through email. It is already given in description box in this video, and once your document will be shortlisted, we will contact you and we will inform you regarding this. And the subject line should be proper. If you are applying for MEP engineer, application for MEP engineer for Singapore, please focus on the document quality. The quality should be good, because if quality is not good, obviously the document will not be shortlisted. And what is the scope if you are going to Singapore? It is one of the best place to earn more. Obviously Singapore is the country where you can earn more, you can plan for better lifestyle, better growth opportunities as well, and yearly increment. Yearly you will get increment here, and renewal in very less expenses. Obviously if you want to extend the period, contract period, there will not be any charges, but if you want to switch the company, there will be very less charges if you are in Singapore, if you are having Singapore experience. And next, better life, obviously long term career planning. You can plan for long period, like not for 2 years only, you can plan for 5 year, 10 year as well, if you are planning to move to Singapore. Singapore is a country where you can earn, learn and earn. As per your learning, you can earn more, and once you have Singapore experience, maximum company will take you, they will take interest to hire you. So it is very important for you. If you enter in Singapore, obviously you are planning for upcoming 10 years, 15 years. That is very important, because Singapore is the country where you will get high package. And if you compare with other countries, definitely you will get better salary in Singapore. So dear friend, if you are interested, contact our team between 11 AM to 5 PM Monday to Saturday, and please don't call on Sunday or after working hours, office hours. So if you are watching this video after office hours, please drop a message, mention your full name, your education, your experience, you are interested for which profile, and whatever queries you want to know, you just mention all the things in video. Dear friends, if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. If you want to watch our video on regular basis, kindly press bell icon so that you can get notification once the new videos will be uploaded. Thank you.